Kingaki checho nigo moseneta bwe county ya Kisii Omoske Richard Sen.Onyonka amuragire biara omugabana bwe county ya Kisii ase kelia gatabakana n'abakori mirimo be abisiaye moseneta uyo ko osaganwa ekero barenge ase omusangirikano uyo wo devolution go sekoligereria enengo ase county ya Kisii.
Chair, I'm dealing with a very sad scenario as I sit here. Members of my oversight team, I'm told, are out here and they want to be beaten up by some goons. I wanted to tell you, Richmond, can you please tell your people to leave that nonsense? Members of the committee in the oversight office have a responsibility to come to this building here. People are now outside here trying to beat. We left those things, gentlemen. What are we oversighting about beating our people because we disagree with them politically? Stop that stuff. So.
Do one or two things. Okay. Senate. Senate.